Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 10, that is browsing the internet, and in today's video we are going to see how to search anything in Microsoft Edge as well as how to add them in the favorite list. So first of all we will be opening Microsoft Edge. Like I've already opened, this is how Microsoft Edge looks when you open it. For searching anything, what we need to do is we need to go to the address bar. This is the address bar. We will click here, and after clicking we will type something. Whatever we want to search, we will type that. Like I am typing Holy Cross School. So like this, what is happening? All Holy Cross School related information will be present in our screen. Like this, here it is coming like Holy Cross School Agartala. I will be writing here Darbhanga. So like this, what is happening? So Holy Cross School Darbhanga is open in front of us. Now if you want to add this page as your home page, sorry, not as home page, if you want to add this page as your favorite, then here is a star. As you can see, add this page to favorite, or you can simply press Ctrl plus D to add this page as your favorite list. So I am just clicking, and this Holy Cross School Darbhanga page will be added in my favorite list. So like this I have clicked. So now it is written here Holy Cross School Darbhanga folder, favorite folder. Now I will click on done. So see, now blue color means it is already in my favorite list. Now we will be opening some other pages. Like I'm just going to open e-learning for kids. So this is the another page which is open in front of us, like elearningforkids.org. I'm just going to open, and this page I want to add in my favorite list. So again, for that what we are going to do, we are going to just simply click on this star button, and as we will click again, this will be added. So like this we have added two pages as our favorite pages. Now we will be checking that whether these pages were added or not. So for that what we will do, we will first of all open our first page. As we get the first page, we will see that here is a favorites. As I will click here, some options will appear, and here you can see two options. Two I have already added, that is Holy Cross School Darbhanga and e-learning for kids. These two now I have added, and these two are added as my favorite pages. And previously I have added these three pages which is of no use, but now I have added as Holy Cross School Darbhanga. Now I will be adding one more page, and you will see that how that third favorite web page is added here. So for that, let us open one more web page, like Atlas so like this we will be opening the Atlas for kids, and we will be opening few pages where atlases are available, which we use for in our SST, or you use it like that. So that page is open in front of us. See, that is Atlas for kids. Now I am going to add this page also as my favorite page. Now see, this is how that page looks. Here the atlas is present, and I want to add this page as my favorites. So for that what we will do, we will again here go to the favorites, and we will click, and after clicking the name and folder will be asked, and then we will click on done. Now we will again go and check the list of the favorites. Now From here we can get the list of the favorites. As we will click here, here you see there will be one more new favorite web page, that is Atlas Kids Britannica Kids. So this is how we can add the favorite pages, and we can go and open that page anytime wherever we are. We can open it very instantly. Like this is a new page. I want to open my favorite page, that is I want to open my Holy Cross School page. So I will simply click and that page will be open in front of us. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works. So we have today opened new websites and we have added those pages as our favorite list. Always remember, if the blue star is present means that page is already added in our favorite list. And for searching anything, how to search anything? For search, what do we need to do? We need to click on the tab. ये जो plus sign है, from this tab we can open new tabs, है ना? New tab. See, this is the first tab, this is the second tab. If you want to open one more tab, then we will click on the plus sign, है ना? These are like pages, है ना? These are like pages, and we will search. Like we are going to search wild animals. Now what will happen? Wild animals will be present in our screen. So this is how we can search. Simply just go to the address bar, type whatever we want to type. If you want to go for the images, click on the images. You will get all the images of wild animals. If you want to go and check the videos of the wild animals, so for that what we will do? See, these are the images. है ना, जो भी images चाहिए we can take any of the images, copy it, download it, whatever we want to do. If you want to go for the videos, then there is option for videos. There are many things which are present on the internet once when we open it. Okay, so my dear children, today we have learned how to add a page as a favorite and how to search anything in Microsoft Edge. I hope these two topics would be clear to you all, and please do try at your home if you have computer laptops available, or you can also try it from your mobile phones. Thank you.